ultimately, if you look at this carbon cycle, this 121 gigatons of carbon entering the terrestrial biosphere, is a massive component of the global carbon cycle, and it represents somewhere about a fourth or a fifth of the total carbon dioxide pool that's in the atmosphere. And before I get involved in the chloroplastic modeling of photosynthesis, I thought I would present what I unashamedly stole from Dennis Baldocchi's, one of Dennis Baldocchi's lectures online, to basically talk about how we arrive, one of the ways we arrive at this 120 gigatons of carbon entering the terrestrial biosphere, or the gross primary productivity. And this is based on, well, basically a lot of assumptions as well as some constants. So if you have the solar constant, which is about 1,300, a little over 1,300, thanks. A little over 1,300 watts per square meter. And if you average this over the Earth's surface, because the Earth is a sphere, it works out to be about 341 watts per square meter of solar radiation at the top of the atmosphere. And then you assume that you're going to get some losses from transmission through the atmosphere. And of course, all this radiation, not all this radiation is usable. So only about half of it's usable via photosynthesis. And then you have to convert the energy from watts per square meters to photons, and this is just a conversion factor. And photosynthetic efficiency, this is, about a little less than 2%. Right? So in a terrestrial ecosystem, at best, we could get up to 4% efficiency. But the reality is most natural ecosystems see significantly less than that. So we're assuming it's about 1.8% efficient. Land area supporting vegetation, it's quite a big land area. The growing length of daylight, 43,200 seconds per day of daylight, averaged, of course. Average 180-day growing season. There's 12 grams of carbon per mole. And if you multiply all these things together, you get about 120 gigatons of carbon globally as what's entering terrestrial ecosystems. So